Hello everybody, happy Thanksgiving everyone. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I woke up feeling tired, but that's normal having a baby, but I wanted to get out and show you guys some deals. So I went to CVS today. I got some great deals, and then right now I'm in the Walgreens parking lot because I wanted to get a couple things. It's not gonna be like a huge haul, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I did. Now I have two cards, a lot of you guys know that, but one card I wanted to do all the freebies in, and the other one I just wanted to do a little things here and there. But one card, the one that I did all the freebies, I used my 10 off of 50 coupon that I got from that printed on my receipt from Sunday. So I definitely used that. So I'm going to share with you guys everything that I got. So the first deal that I got was the Wet n Wild. Now these are $4.99, and you guys can buy one. You'll pay $4.99 for this, but then you guys will get $4 back in an extra care buck, ECB, making them just 99 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I ended up getting like all the mascara set. I got one that is a mascara set, some eyeshadow, and some lip stain. And then I ended up getting, they all need to be shaken, but I ended up getting some of the nail polishes. So I ended up getting those. So these came out to be $2.97 for all three of those. It's really hard to do these in the car, but Miss Charlotte is with me, you guys, and she is sleeping in the back seat. I ended up getting the Chic razor. Now this was $6.99. I used a $4 off coupon that we got in our inserts. I didn't have any, so I ended up using a $4 off Printable from coupons.com. I also had a $2 off any shave coupon, CRT, so I ended up using that. So I got this for 99 cents, and then you guys will get $2 back in an extra care buck, making it a $1.01 moneymaker. So I love it when you can get razors for free. I got the Charmin toilet paper. I feel like I need toilet paper more than the paper towels, just because we go through toilet paper more. And these are big rolls, you guys. Like, these are big rolls. So you can either do the paper towels or the toilet paper. But this was $4.99. I used a $1 off coupon that was in our P&G inserts that we just got. So you guys would pay $3.99 for this, but then you guys will get a $1 extra care buck, making it just, I lost my spot, $2.99. So that's an okay deal. I mean, it says there's 6 rolls in here, which is equivalent to 24 rolls. So yeah, the math on that's kind of crazy, but sharing with you guys that. I also did the CVS wipes. I actually need some wipes small enough to fit in my purse. I always have a diaper bag inside our vehicle at all times, just so I don't forget it at home. I always have it with us just to be safe. So I need, with it being super cold, I need it to have something fresh in my purse because the ones I have are frozen. Oh, I know. But these were just 99 cents. You guys would pay 99 cents for this, but then you guys would get this 99 cents back in an extra care buck, making them absolutely free. I did the Colgate toothpaste deal. These were $3.50. You guys want to use that $3 off CRT that is printed from the red machine, plus a 50-cent off coupon that we just got this past Sunday's paper. So you guys would get this absolutely for free. I also did the beauty razors. These were $1.99. You guys would pay $1.99, but then you guys will get $1.99 back. And I will be posting all the pictures, you guys. I'm just posting them all at the end. I'm not doing the written breakdowns because you guys can check the ads. The breakdowns are right there in the ad. But definitely check out the end of the video, and I'll have all the pictures for you guys of what I used. I ended up getting, I wish they had the apple or vanilla, but they didn't. But the raspberry is just as good. I like using these for around my house. But the Renewsits were 3 for $3, and you guys would spend $3 for it. But then you guys will get a $3 or a $1.50 extra care buck back, making these just, you know, $1.50. So it comes out to be 50 cents a piece. So really like that. Sorry, I got my bags. Okay, I ended up getting the CVS, I can't even pronounce this, you guys, that's how lame I am. But this is just like extra strength Tylenol. This was $4.49. Yeah, $4.49. I actually had a $2 off CVS a feminine CRT. So I actually paid $2.49 for this, but then you guys will get $4.49 back with this. So it's either free or a $2 moneymaker. So with that CRT that you guys get. The CVS panty liners are 99 cents. You guys would pay 99 cents. You would get 99 cents back in an extra care buck, making these absolutely free. Now, I did notice they didn't do a lot of freebies like they've done in the past. Not complaining, but I'm just like, yeah, okay. I ended up getting the Speed Stick deodorant. Now, this was $2.49. You guys would pay $2.49, but you guys would get $2 back, making it just 49 cents. So I usually say $1 for deodorant is a pretty good deal. So definitely go ahead and get that. I also got some gum. This was 99 cents. You guys would pay 99 cents for this. You get 99 cents back in an extra care buck, making it absolutely for free. And then I ended up getting the NYX lips. The ones that I got are the Candy Slick. The color that I got doesn't Cream B, so I ended up getting this one. And then I also got the NYX Slip Tees, and the color that I got was Rosy Outlook. I kind of like the shape of that, so I got that. These were two for $11.98. You guys would pay $11.98 for the both of these, but then they come out to, you guys would get a $10 extra care buck, making them just $1.98. So they come out to be like 99 cents a piece. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, I got a couple more things to share with you guys. I'm just going to put everything back in the bag really quickly because it's really hard to do a video in the van. So, yes. Okay, so the next deal, I'm almost there. Just got to get a couple more things in the bag. Okay, so the next deal, what is that heavy bag? Okay. The next one I did was the Palmolive. Now this was $1.99. These were $2.49, and I used a dollar off CRT that was printed from the machine. So you guys would get this for $1.49. Now there was 25% off coupons for that. I don't have any left, but I'm like, $1.49 is not the greatest deal, but I'm like, it's still pretty good, especially with their so-called being a soap shortage. I really needed the hand soap or the dish soap to use to wash baby bottles and all that stuff. I ended up getting the Era. Now this was $1.99. I used a dollar off digital coupon, so you guys would just get this for 99 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So that was actually one card that I used. That was one of the cards that I used. Then for all those items, I ended up using my 10 off of 50 CRT, so that I got from the Red Machine Printing. So I actually paid, what did I get off for that? I got that all stuff for free. I just paid with ECB, so I ended up using $40 worth of ECBs, but I did receive $37.95 back, so it came out to be just $2.05. There was 19 items. That comes out to be 10 cents a piece. I think that is an excellent deal. So then with my other card, I wanted to do some food deals for you guys. So I ended up getting, I did the same thing with the baby wipes. I did the same thing with the razors, the Colgate, and the gum. These were the only repeaters that I got with those. I didn't want to go super crazy, but those were just what I got because some of them were money makers and I wanted to make up for it. So what I ended up having is I had a 3 off of 10 food, and then I had a $1 off of 4 Oreos. So I ended up getting the Oreos. The Oreos were $2 or 2 for $6. I used a $1 off of 4 CRT, plus I also used the 3 off of 10. So I actually had to buy $14 worth of food to do these deals, because you guys can stack them, you just got to make sure you have. So again, I had a $1 off of 4 Oreos and a 3 off of 10 food CRTs, but I got $14 worth of food. So just give you guys a heads up with that. But with the $1 off of 4, you guys would pay $5 for this, and then you guys get a $2 extra care buck, making it $3 or $1.50 a piece. So that is just with the $1 off of 4, but since I went 3 off of 10, it ended up becoming a little bit of a different scenario, okay? Then I also got some Doritos. Now my store hardly had any chips, and I'm glad I got like this bag of Doritos. So the chips were 2 for $4. You guys, I also used that with that 3 off of 10 food. So you guys will get $1 back when you guys buy 2 bags of chips. I also got some Cocoa Puffs. Now these were $1.99, but I actually got 2 of them in one transaction because I had $1 off a 2 digital coupon. So you guys could do that. Plus it goes with the 3 off of 10, and then you guys will get $1 back with one of them. You don't get $1 back with 2, but you only get $1 back with one of them. And I also had $1 back from Savings Star. So there is that. I did not write my grand total for this. It ends up becoming like 99 cents a piece, I think, you guys, or 50 cents a piece. 50 cents for a box of cereal with the $1 off coupon, the ECB, and then the Savings Star deal. So 50 cents for that. So with the 2 bags of chips, the 2 Oreos, the 2 Cocoa Puffs, and then those 4 items that I got, my total came to 95 cents for everything. I ended up using $11 back I ended up using $11 of the ECBs, but I did receive $7.98, making it $3.97, or just 10 items at 39 cents a piece. But if you guys combined both transactions, it technically came to $6.02, but I forgot to add the $1 back with Savings Star. So everything I got right here, you guys, it was $5.02. I got 29 items for $5. Like 29 items, food and personal care products. I love it. I absolutely love it. So hopefully you guys can get in and do these deals. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you watch all the breakdown, all the coupons and stuff that I use. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.